This whole backyard was just a disaster. So yeah, we wanted something that was simple to maintain, something that was easy to maintain, clean, looked really, really good. Definitely a huge improvement. JJ's great, man. Pretty decent sized yard, and we had like some irrigation issues and stuff like that. I was able to call him. He was able to go ahead and quickly get things fixed. He did a phenomenal job. He was just solid, super easy to reach out to, always followed up if I sent him a text or called him or whatnot. Just excellent follow through. The experience was great. The end product is great. Anybody that comes back here, they look at my front yard or just the neighborhood and they're like, oh, it's a nice neighborhood. They walk in the backyard like, whoa, wait, this is not the same place. This is like an oasis. So yeah, man, like I recommend 365 to everybody.